Everybody, welcome back to the Grateful Rose River Homestead. It's your host, Papa Bear. Hey, yes, I'm a little hot. I'm sweating. It's a high weather. What can I say? I'm going to show you what we're doing today. A little project. Well, it's actually more than just a little project, but here it is. I've already started this, and I thought, I better vlog this. All right, got an airplane flying over here, so all right, here we go. See, told you, it's more than just a little project. Now, the stuff that you saw underneath the tarp, that won't be moved today. And the reason is because we got to get our stuff out of storage. When we had a camper, we had a big log holder, big, outside log thing. So we're going to put that along this building here, where big old blue uglies at. We're going to put it along here. I cleaned all this yesterday out. Oh, well, hello, Gypsy. What are you doing? Are you trying to stay cool, girl? I know it's hot. So yeah, I cleaned all this yesterday, and then today I'm working on this. And all that big pile over here that you saw, that I already moved. And so I'm going to bring you back here after I get this done. The reason I'm not going to do any other videoing during this process, watch me break my back and hurt so bad, is because I like to listen to music, and YouTube will get me for copyright music. So that's the reason why I'm not going to do this during when I'm doing it, because I like to listen to music. Do you like to listen to music when you're working out or playing, moving stuff and working, whatever you might be doing? I like to listen to music because music is life, man. It's everything, And the old Papa Bear, he loves his Grateful Dead music. And I listen to spin-off of Grateful Dead music, tribute bands who love the Dead and as much as I do. And yeah, I can't wait to next year, because I'm going to be on tour with the Dead next year. So I'm hoping this won't be the last year for it, because I got to dance. I got to take Carmen. At least one Dead show would be really awesome. I think she would love it to pieces. So, but I love to listen to music, so that's the reason why you're not going to see me actually doing this, okay? But trust me, I'm doing the work, all right? Paisley girl's at work. She's finishing out her last day, and so I'm getting all this stuff done today. We have a storm warning coming out tonight, possibly some tornadoes, and yeah, it doesn't shock me. I'll tell you what, July has been crazy as far as rain-wise. We've had a lot of rain in July, and in the end of June, actually. We had rain here for 3 days straight, and now we're getting more storms coming. It's not springtime, people, but God needs to water the land, so let it rain, Lord. All right, so I'll bring you back here and show you the finished project of my project, all right, that I'm doing. So it's called, this video will be called, what should I call this? What should I call this video? I don't know yet. I will come up with a name for this video. But I will bring you back, and we'll finish talking about how I moved all this. All right? All right. Well, it's been a couple hours, but I did it. I got most of what I needed to accomplish today, and I'm really excited to show you what I did. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I'm dirty. But it got done. Once we get the log holder, whatever you want to call that thing. Can't remember what you call that thing. But anyways, when you get that, then we'll stack up the rest of this wood, and the rest of it will be taken back with big blue ugly. But yeah, we're going to take the rest of this wood back. Yeah, we're going to take the rest of the wood after we stack it up in the wood bin holder, and whatever you want to call that thing. I can't remember what the name of that thing is. But once we stack that up, but here, let me just show you what I did. Look how great this looks. Now that wood there is going to be stacked up in the thing, including the tarp. But look. Wow. Doesn't that look nice? Yeah, I think that looks like a lot of improvement, if I have to say so myself. But yeah, it's getting to evening time. I need to get a shower and see what old Paisley girl is going to want for dinner tonight. I was going to have a dinner made, and it's already way too late to do what I was going to do. So I don't know what we're going to do for dinner. Because Papa Bear, too tired to cook. But, you know, I thank you, and I'm sorry that I, didn't do a whole video watching me. Of course, would you even want to see that? I don't think you would. Like I said, I listen to music, so, that's the reason why I didn't show you the progress as it goes. Plus, to be honest with you, I'm still learning different tricks, how to do videos. Where they speed up video or whatever they call it, So, yeah, plus, like I said, YouTube would smack my video, smack it down for copyright, because I listen to the Grateful Dead and, of course, other music that I was listening to today. So, there's the rest of the property. Hey, yeah, I'm really proud. Wind's really picking up here. We're supposed to have some high winds tonight and some severe storms after 7. We'll see. But everything looks good now. So anyways, from my family to yours, we thank you for subscribing to our channel. Peace, love, and happiness to all you, and positive vibes go out to you, alright? I'm your old Papa Bear here on the Grateful Rose River Homestead, and I thank you, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell if it's your first time, and that way you can get new updates when videos get dropped. There will be a video before this video. I don't know what wife is going to be, Paisley girl is going to be calling the video, but it's showing how she organized the cellar area with all of her canning and stuff. So that video will be before this video, so hope you enjoy it. Alright, and I thank you, and come along with the journey with us, alright? And as we adventure and do this homestead and make it our own, alright? Love you all. I'm your old Papa Bear, signing off.
We got a nasty storm brewing in. And it's like constant lightning.